Hi people, I wanted to test out some parts cleaner. So what I have here is actually a low kilometre engine, and you can see by the sludge build-up that it hasn't been regularly serviced. It was running really well, but with this much sludge it was bound to fail soon. So to best clean these engine parts, I'm scraping off the bulk of the sludge. I have several parts here that are badly covered, and I want to give the parts wash the best chance of cleaning, so I'm manually removing as much as possible first. Tensioners, cams, timing gears, as long as it's not aluminium, it's going into the parts wash. The concentrate that I'm using is the Australian version of Purple Power, a popular parts wash that's available in the US. One big difference is that it's green, not purple, but it has the same basic ingredients. Now I left the engine components in the parts wash for the afternoon with the pump running to circulate the cleaner, but I turned the pump off overnight. This particular parts wash has no heating element, so it was just at room temperature. The next morning, the foaming bubbles had dissipated, but quickly returned when the pump was switched back on. Inspecting the parts, found them looking just like new. A few small spots of sludge remained on some parts in the hard to reach areas. I got these off with a small brush, or you could leave them in the parts washer for a bit longer. Components such as timing chain tensioner guides were cleaned without damage. Nuts, bolts, pulleys, rockers, they all look like new without a trace of sludge. Painted surfaces were also cleaned without damage. With the parts clean, you can now inspect for wear and decide whether they're serviceable or not. Also, once the parts were dried off, I gave them a good coat of WD-40 spray just to prevent any surface rust from forming. Now, if you liked the video, give it the thumbs up and subscribe, leave any questions or comments below, and check out some of my other videos. Thanks for watching.